Oh. They're so small. Ew. Oh, it smells good too. Wow. Wow.
Wow.
Keys. Where are my keys? My self-consciousness, but then when you
I just want to pop in and quickly talk about this video's sponsor, Grow Therapy. The new year comes with a lot of pressure, big goals, big changes. That push to reinvent yourself can certainly leave me feeling overwhelmed and pressured. With Grow Therapy, you don't have to face it all alone. Therapy is not just finding support in someone. It's a powerful tool for building sustainable and realistic change within yourself. 2025 was a big year for me in terms of my mental health. It was the first time I found myself feeling burnt out of my small business. It took a lot of self-reflection and personal growth to re-inspire myself and find a more sustainable way to keep being creative. Instead of forcing myself to work through those periods where I'm not mentally checked in, I shifted my mindset to prioritizing my mental health so I can find a sustainable system in being creative and making things for you guys without hitting burnout and losing my momentum with my business. With Grow Therapy, you're able to book an appointment in as little as 2 days. They also have appointments available at night and on weekends, and you're able to filter through therapists by gender, identity. It's all completely tailored to you. Most sessions cost just around around $21 with insurance, and they work with over 100 different insurance plans, including Medicaid in certain states. And unlike with other services, you are only paying per session. There's no subscriptions, commitments, or hidden fees. So if you're interested in giving growth therapy a shot, you can scan the QR code on screen or go to the link in the description box, growththerapy.co/annikasleaf, to get started with a therapy that fits you. I gotta go through everything. Where do I even start? Forgot to take a before photo. It's fine. It's fine. Okay, here we have everything I'm for sure keeping. This section is, well, they're kind of two sections. Things that I don't really like / I know deep down I'm not really gonna ever use up. Oh, and this is literally just empty. And then the things that, yeah, I probably should chunk these. Probably a lot. This is terrifying. I'm almost done. She's been here through thick and thin. What is her signature vibe slash energy? How would people describe her? What the hell, bro? I'm over it. Like, you know, we're basically done. Why do you have to be such a completionist? Like, who's that benefiting? It's a wonderful, beautiful, glorious day outside. Perfect opportunity to clean out my entire closet. As of now, my prerogative is to sort out the definite no's first. Just to get the juices flowing, because I find once I make those initial cuts, then it becomes easier. My main criteria is A, if I don't like it anymore, B, if I don't think it looks flattering on myself, 3, or C, if they are not comfortable. Other things include if I can't make at least 2 to 3 outfits with that one piece. I've really been trying to lean away from fast fashion and products that, you know, are more trendy. Instead, focusing on more timeless pieces. I feel like everyone always says this stuff. And for a long time, I didn't really understand what timeless meant. When I was younger, I was still growing and discovering my style. And I think your style never fully comes to a halt. Like, it's always changing, it's evolving as your interests change, and that's completely normal and fine. I guess what I'm trying to say is, like, just not buying as many clothes in the future. And the pieces that I get, I want to be really sure about. Last but not least,
live this here lifestyle.
Very few other games where you could put a bunch of hair patterns on the internet onto Island Life. Where to your heart, anyone can fall in love. Anyone. Tomodachi Life lovingly before their lives.
I've been putting my highlighter at the center of my cheeks, bringing the attention to the center of it. Also, this highlight I got by Clio. Prism highlighter in 06 Violet Ruby. It's so gorgeous. You probably can't see.
Oh my god. I found my lip tint. The one I was looking for the other day. 2026, we're gonna be better about this.
Got through most of my wardrobe yesterday. I still have some t-shirts and pants to sort through, but when I say I was really harsh and intentional with the cuts I was making, like this entire section was cleared out and now we just have these tops. Also, yes, I'm wearing the same exact outfit as yesterday. If you've watched me for a while, you know I'm an outfit repeater. When I find an outfit I like that's comfortable, I'm gonna wear the hell out of it. And that's kind of the whole point with clearing out my closet. And yeah, clothes are meant to be reworn. If the outfit's good, it's good, you know? My brother's also here. He's staying with me for New Year's. He has a haircut appointment this morning, but before that, we're gonna get breakfast. And I'm gonna force him to take Instagram pictures of me. I've always donated the clothes I no longer want to a local shelter, and with the pieces that they can't accept, I will give it to Goodwill. But I have a lot of really, really cute items that I think a lot of people who watch my videos would be interested in. So I'm looking into how to do like a closet sale. Maybe do that when it gets a little warmer and sell to some people locally before donating the rest. I just thought of this last night, so I literally have no idea how to do it. Give me a little time to figure out the logistics. I did get a lot of questions on the My Melody top. This is actually from a Korean brand, from this brand that I got at the Machines at Empty store in Apgujeong. I feel almost gaslit by the changing room lights in there because I swear this was pink when I bought it. It's very clearly lavender. Still really cute, and it actually matches my nails like perfectly. Then this fuzzy coat, I was planning to wear this in Japan, but I only got the package once I returned. The jacket and the pants are from Rolarola. got this lox bagel, but apparently it's mostly tomato. Oh no! Oh no, the rain! Mid. Chia seed pudding, a little bit of granola, I had to reheat my tea from this morning because I completely forgot about that. Kind of crazy how 2025 made me not only a coffee drinker, but a tea drinker. One of my goals this year is to go back to a caffeine-free life. Dabbled with the coffee, it was fun while it lasted, but maybe I'll just stick to like once a month when I'm out with friends or if I'm at a cafe and I want to try something. As you might be able to tell by my personality, I don't like to be at loss of control. Like I don't want something like caffeine to have power over me in that way where I think I need it. So the teas I drink are all caffeine free. I did want to do like a little bit of a reflection or talk about my New Year's goals. I feel like this year I have not been as active as I was previously on YouTube. I ended up taking a lot more breaks than I expected. I experienced a lot of burnout and I always hesitate to talk about this because, you know, being an influencer, I guess, or someone on the internet, like no one wants to hear the complaints that come with that. And it's not even a complaint because I think you can experience burnout in like any job or any circumstance in life. I always want to reiterate how grateful I am to be in the position that I am. Nothing I ever take for granted. But in addition to being a YouTuber or someone on the internet, I'm also running my own small business. So I work basically 2 jobs. Before COVID hit, I was working 3 jobs at my college. And I was also trying to graduate early. And especially in these early years of adulthood, I've never really had the chance to explore and discover who I am, which sounds kind of weird, but I swear I've been going through like a bit of an identity crisis over the last like 2 years. I was feeling a bit lost and wanted to take some time to spend with my friends and family to just travel and see the world. Growing up, my family, we never really traveled. My first time leaving the country was about 2 years ago, and then now I've been having the opportunity to travel with family, with my mom, who's also never left the country until we went to Japan together. This year has been transformative in many ways. I think it was important for me to step back, not be so intense and hard on myself about posting every week, trying to build some boundaries between my work and personal life. But I just want to be really transparent with you guys because of course you are the one who has allowed me to do this. And sometimes taking that time off is what you need to be re-inspired again and to keep that creativity fresh. It's a bit of distance makes the heart grow fonder, especially with my small business. I have so many things I want to make now, feeling motivated again, and I'm really looking forward to it. I hope that wasn't too cheesy. Just some things that have been on my mind for the past year and things I'm ready to let go of and declutter mentally. We're tying it in with the whole theme. And now that I'm home, I am going to decorate my monthly setup.